Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Wednesday, April 12th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you're done, so let's move on. Here looking at the tick US model, continuation higher from what we saw on Monday. Filter tick, fairly flat, net buying on the day, new lows, new highs, essentially flat. So not a ton of to say here, but we did have a continuation of cumulative tick. This is constructive. Looking at the ARCX model, longer term signal did fire yesterday, being the shortest term moving average, now breaching longer term moving average. Cumulative tick did trend higher. We have railroad tracks here. Also have railroad tracks in US model didn't mention. So all in all, very constructive. The one thing to note is the cumulative tick itself is a good deal away from the moving average ribbon. Oftentimes when we've seen kind of start to run hot in quotes, so that is something you need to be cognizant on if you are looking to take new long positions here. Here looking at the indexes with our 10 a.m. script, one thing to note is on SPY, did get a good retest of P-Trans before, kind of grinded higher. Looking at SPX and QQQs, not a ton else to really say here. Now we have the 5 p.m. script. Again, same indexes. SPY right at P-Trans. You can also see 65-minute chart. This is a pretty big TA zone, so good confluence here. Let's see if we can find some supportive action there early in the session. SPX still a good bit away from P-Trans, and QQQs kind of in between P-Trans and 0GEX. Now going through some individual stocks here, we have Apple and we have Tesla. Not a ton to say on Apple. On Tesla, we are sitting right at 0GEX, so potential spot for a bounce here. What is this? Microsoft and NVIDIA. Microsoft, no man's land in between COTMP and 0GEX. Looking at NVIDIA here, sitting more or less right at 0GEX. And Amazon and Google. Amazon kind of in no man's land here. We do have 0GEX below us. We're looking at 65-minute chart. This is a pretty big TA zone as well, so good confluence there. This should be a good spot to see some kind of hold and push higher. And then lastly, we have Google. Same thing, kind of in no man's land between 0GEX and P-Trans. So from my point of view, not a ton of setups there. However, there are levels to be looking at, cognizant of more or less, particularly here in SPY, SPX, QQQs. This will be my main focus. So with that, best of luck out there today, and I'll be talking to you all tonight. Bye.